Let's move to page 86, lesson 52 for Reng Mahur. But this Mahur is not Mahur Do that usually we play it. Like this is on Mahur Sol with F sharp or Fa diez. So Mahur is the other Persian music system's dastgah. So we have Radif as Persian music system. We call it Radif. In Radif we have 7 dastgah or mode and 6 avaz. 2 of these dastgah, Shur and Humayun, has avaz or branches. So avaz are branches or children of those 2 dastgah. But Mahur is major mode mostly, but it is not very, we cannot compare it to European mode, but interval for prelude or for daramad is the same as major. For example, G major, C major, Mahur Do, Mahur Sol, but only for few gushes or few suites, few melodies, few, because we have like, for example, 35 suites or melody in dastgah Mahur. But the first one, daramad, is we can compare it to European mode. Mostly Persian music's dastgah or mode is not going just to be compared to modes, but we call it maqam or mode or dastgah to just be recognized, to make it understood by people. So we are in dastgah Mahur and we are playing Reng. Started with Dorab. 1-1. Or F sharp or F natural, sorry. And you have like F sharp, like C sharp also at the last line. So you're supposed to just gradually play it and practice it and make it faster. But this speed is good enough for for at the end. It is your goal. I mean, we don't need more speed on this type of music on Reng. So that's good enough. Whenever you're going just to practice, you're supposed to start from very low speed like this. Until you get used to the dorab, dorab, dorab. Vibration, dorab. From re to sol, again you have to jump, like re, sol, sol. Vibration. راست 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 چپ راست 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 ریز ریز بم ره می فا سل لا ره سل دو راست چپ راست 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 راست. راست چپ راست. And here you have fa bekar or F natural. Sol, re, sol, si, sol, si, re, si, re, si, re. You use this one here, that's good. Re, because the last line, the first bar, it says re, do, re. You play re here, please. Re on your second finger, G string. Mostly we are going just to tune mahur sol or mahur on a G, do sol re or C, G, D. But right now, as we promised, we are going just to change our tuning on the next book, book number 3. Let's move to آواز بیات اصفهان, page 91, lesson number 61, پیش درآمد بیات اصفهان. As we talked, دستگاه همایون has its branch, only branch, آواز بیات اصفهان, and it is you can compare it to G minor but only for one گوشه or one prelude or one suite. Let's start it from your third finger. So F sharp, E quarter tone or Mi coron and Si bemol. So beautiful. For La, you can play trill with one mezrab. Sol, fa, sol, la, si, do, la, echo. And also for Re, same. بیار این گوشه بیات راجع، این آواز بیات اصفهان. So you will stay on La, not Sol as usual. Same because we are in آواز بیات اصفهان, این گوشه بیات راجع. سکوت و and going to go to اوج or اشاق. اوج or اشاق, این آواز بیات اصفهان takes us to دستگاه شور. We have C coron or B quarter tone. می بمول, again C bemol. we go to shur. So fa changed from F sharp to fa natural or F natural. گوشه فرود back to بیات اصفهان. B flat. So soft. First sentence going to be repeated again at the end. Let's play this beautiful, amazing پیش درآمد بیات اصفهان that is so famous in Iranian people. Again from the beginning. It is by مرتضی نیداود.